Namaskaram, Bengaluru.
When people think about best Bangalore apartments, names like Prestige, Shobha, Brigade, and Purva immediately come to our mind. But today, we are visiting a township that has quietly become one of the most talked about residential communities in North Bangalore. Welcome to Prestige Jindal City. 25 years ago, if someone had told me that this place would one day become home to thousands of families living in one of the best Bangalore apartments, I probably wouldn't have believed them. Back in the early 2000s, when I was a kid, this stretch of Tumkur Road was known more for the Jindal industrial area and factory than for the luxury residential living. There were fewer apartment communities, fewer commercial developments, and the skyline looked completely different. Fast forward today, the same corridor has transformed into one of the North Bengaluru fastest growing residential destinations. Wide road, metro connectivity, IKEA Bangalore, shopping malls, IT parks, and premium residential communities have completely changed the identity of this part of the city. And right in the middle of this transformation stands Prestige Jindal City. One of the biggest reasons why Prestige Jindal City is considered among the best Bangalore apartments is its location. Just a few minutes from here is IKEA Bangalore, Karnataka's first IKEA store and one of the largest home furnishing destinations in the country. Whether you are setting up a new home or simply spending a weekend exploring furniture, home decor, or enjoying Swedish cuisine, having IKEA this close is a huge convenience for residents. But what makes this location even more valuable is its connectivity. Just outside the township, you'll find the green line of Namma Metro. With Nagasandra and Madhavara stations serving this corridor, instead of spending hours in Bangalore traffic, residents can comfortably travel towards Yeshwantpur, Rajajinagar, Majestic, MG Road through an interchange and many other important parts of the city using the metro. That's one of the biggest reasons why this entire Tumkur Road corridor has witnessed tremendous residential growth over the past decade. This combination of metro connectivity, IKEA, shopping, excellent road infrastructure, and prestige brand is exactly why many home buyers shortlist Prestige Jindal City when searching for the best Bangalore apartments. The real question is, does the lifestyle inside the township live up to the hype? As of 2026, prices generally fall around these ranges depending upon tower, floor, view, size, furnishing, and market conditions. As of now, for 2 BHK, approximately the cost is around 1 to 1.45 crore, and for 3 BHK, approximately 1.5 to 2.2 crores. These prices can vary significantly based on the resale versus new inventory. So always verify the latest listings before making a purchase. But remember, buying one of the best Bangalore apartments isn't just about the price. It's about the lifestyle, it's about connectivity, it's about the community you live in for years. Throughout this video, I'll also tell you what I genuinely liked, what could have been better, and who should actually consider buying here. So if you're planning to buy a home, invest in Bangalore real estate, or you're simply curious about one of the best Bangalore apartments near IKEA Bangalore, make sure you watch until the end. Now let's talk about the most important question. What do you actually get inside these apartments, and how much does it cost to own one? Starting with 2 BHK, a typical 2 BHK in Prestige Jindal City comes with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a spacious living room, a dining room, a modular kitchen, a utility or laundry space, and 1 balcony. Depending on the layout, the super built up area generally ranges from 960 to 1150 square feet. If you need more space, there is a 3 BHK option. A standard 3 BHK includes 3 bedroom, a larger living and dining area, spacious kitchen with utilities place, and usually one or two balconies. These homes generally range about 1350 to over 1700 square feet, making them a popular choice for larger families or people working from home. Now let's talk about pricing. As of 2026, 2 BHK apartments are generally ranging, like as I mentioned earlier, around 1.1 to 1.4 crore. So another cost many buyers forget to consider is the monthly maintenance. Generally in Prestige Jindal City, residents often pay around 5,000 to 8,000 per month for a typical 2 BHK, while a 3 BHK usually falls between 7,000 to 10,000 per month. Depending upon the apartment size, your maintenance rates will be set by the Residents Association. And finally, home loan. If you purchase a 1.2 crore 2 BHK and make 20% down payment, you'll finance about 96 lakh. At an interest rate of 8.5% for over, let's say, 25 years, the EMI works out roughly to be 77 to 80,000 per month. So before buying, don't just compare the apartment price, also factor in the maintenance charge, registration cost, interior work, and monthly EMI to understand the true cost of owning your dream home. Now, most of you might be wondering, why do so many people choose an apartment instead of buying an independent house? The first reason is security and convenience. In a premium apartment community like Prestige Jindal City, you typically get 24/7 security, CCTV surveillance, controlled entry, maintenance staff, power backup, and professional facility management. So if you travel frequently or have elderly parents at home, this level of managed security can be a major advantage compared with maintaining an individual house on your own. The second reason is lifestyle and amenities. Buying an apartment isn't just about the home, it's about the community. Residents usually have access to facilities like clubhouse, swimming pool, gym, jogging tracks, indoor games, children play area, landscape gardens, and sports court. Building similar amenities in an individual house would cost significantly more and require ongoing maintenance. So if your priority is convenience, community living, and modern amenities, an apartment can be a very practical choice. On the other hand, if you value more privacy, a private garden, or the freedom to expand your home, an independent house may suit you better. And that's a complete tour of Prestige Jindal City, one of the most talked residential communities in North Bangalore. From its excellent location near IKEA, convenient Green Line metro connectivity, modern amenities, and spacious apartments, you now have a complete picture of what this township has to offer. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we can continue exploring the best Bangalore apartments.